This is Level 3 DIY Standard Reading Literature 4.5.2b. The directions are: cite your own sources, skip the source below if you didn't use that type of source, then number them in order alphabetically. So you're going to grab your research paper from the library, and you're going to use the information from each source that you gathered, and you're going to cite your sources for your project so that later you do not have to do it. So first, let's start with our encyclopedia. So you're going to look on your paper and you're going to find a section that says encyclopedia, and we are going to follow the format, which is right here. So the first thing that it asks for is the author if available. We did not have an author, so you're going to skip over that, and you're going to go to the next thing, which is the article title. The article title is Clownfish. And since it's an article, you put the title in quotes. The next thing is the name of the encyclopedia, which is the World Book Encyclopedia. It is important that whenever you're writing these citations that you capitalize everything that needs to be capitalized, and you put punctuation everywhere that needs to have punctuation. Since this is the article title and we put it in quotes, and this is the encyclopedia title, we have to underline it. And then we can move on to the next thing, which is date published. And our date is 2012 period. The last thing is website if online. We did not use an online encyclopedia, so you do not need to put anything else in your citation. Now we're going to go to the back, and we're going to start with our website. So find your website section, which is down at the bottom. And we're going to follow the format. The first thing is author. So if your website had an author, go ahead and write that now. Mine didn't, so I'm going to move to the next thing, which is the title of the article. Remember, since it's an article, you have to put it in quotes. The next thing is the date of electronic publication. So when was the website put on the internet, or when was it last updated? Mine just had the year. Next is name of organization connected with the internet site. That is the sponsor. Next is the date when you used the source. So what day did you access the website? Most of us accessed it on February 4th, 2016. Next is the electronic address of the source, which is the URL. Remember, do not put a period at the end of the URL. Last thing that we need to do is our non-fiction book. So find the section with the book. We did not use a magazine article, so you can cross that one out. So the first thing you need is the author's name, and remember that it goes last name, then first name. Next is the title of your book. Since it is the title of the book, you have to underline it. Next is the city of the publisher, followed by a colon. Your publication or your publisher. And then the publication date. So now we have all of our citations. We need to put them in alphabetical order. And we're going to put them in alphabetical order by our author's name, and if there's not an author's name, then we're going to use the next thing, which would probably be our article title. So the first thing is we've got two C's. L comes before O, so there's 1, 2, 3. And you're done. You can put this in your English folder. Do not lose it because you will need this whenever we work on our prezzies.